UX is important everywhere. The technology hub in South Florida is growing, and UX has to come with that, or we're going to end up with a lot of really hard to use technology.
Before I thought it was just something, how something looked, but now it had a lot to do with human psychology, with something I didn't even think about.
UI is really user interface, so that's what we see when we're interacting with technology, the interface that we work with. And UX is the experience that you have from that interaction.
I've been watching Ironhack for years in the UX community, and there's one thing that I kind of feel is common to all the grads that I've encountered. They're confident, they're very intelligent, they ask phenomenal questions.
I want to learn UX and UI design because I wanted to empathize with my UX development team. I wanted to know how they're making decisions, why they're making decisions, and how that has an impact on my work.
I really felt that when I went to my first Ironhack event that I felt like I belonged and I really wanted to be a part of it.
My entire college experience was nothing compared to what I learned in just 9 weeks. For me, UX UI was like a combination of everything that I love in one career.
We're changing lives, and we're doing that in a way that allows people to do a career change within a very short period of time. That's the role that Ironhack has played, is providing this hub for problem solvers in our community.